Alrighty guys, welcome back to Integrity Whips. Today we're gonna see if we can get spark. This truck hasn't ran in 7 years. We're gonna put an ignition module in. As you guys could tell, faces in like that. Just like that. Alright, so now that we got the ignition module in, we're gonna put this in. Slides it down in here.
It needs to be pointed at the #1 cylinder, which is here. Kind of tricky getting that down in there. Once you get it all lined up, it really just falls right back down in the hole. There it goes.
We're gonna put the distributor cap on and plug in the wire harness, and then turn it over and see if we got spark. Just like that. You guys probably can't really see, but the distributor cap is getting screwed on right now.
Getting her all cleaned up.
Yes, sir.
Looking a lot better.
Integrity.
Little integrity. All right. That's how we do it here at Integrity Whips. After he gets this thing fired up, we'll get in here and clean up the rest of this stuff, make it look really nice. She's a little dirty. The truck was originally parked back in 2013 because the lifters started excessively tapping. I mean, it was really bad, so I went ahead and parked it. I had another truck I was driving at the time, so it ended up just sitting. But since then, Nathan has actually come in and put all new lifters in this, so hopefully we've alleviated that problem. She sat for a long time. The mice chewed up a few wires, unfortunately, but we've gone through, we fixed all of that. Now we're just getting her back together. All right, so what we're doing now is we're just taking that bottom pulley off because there's a timing mark behind it, and we want to line up all of our timing marks and make sure they're all lined up just right. As you can see right here, this one's lined up with that mark, but we're not sure about the bottom one. We can't remember if it was lined up. We just want to double check it before we start cranking on this thing.
Alrighty, we got the pulley off. We realize it's 3 teeth off. We're gonna pull the belts off, make sure all our lines are still straight. Then we're gonna put the belt back on, and then we're gonna turn her over.
Is that doing anything? Making it looser? There you go. Yeah, just like that. Oh, I had it too. All right, try that. There we go. Okay.
Alright, so we got the pulley off, and we just now realized that this gear right here has gotten very sloppy. That keyway right there.
Yeah, wiggle it back before showing. Yeah, good.
That's terrible.
That's not gonna work. That's our problem. That's what's throwing us off. We thought we were like several teeth off, and come to find out it's just the gear is wore out on the keyway. So we're back to the drawing board, man. We thought we were gonna have it running today, right? Bummer.
It's okay.
That's all right, man. We'll get it. We just gotta figure our way around this. Has any of you guys ever ran into this issue before? This is kind of ridiculous. I mean, look at that. Look at this. I mean, look how bad a shape. Can y'all see that? How bad a shape that keyway is. I mean, it's junk. I'm trying to get the lighting.
Get it on the right
there we
side,
go. Yeah, look. Good grief. There we go. Yeah, look at the keyway. I mean, it's just gone. I don't know what happened there. That's weird, but
should we tell them what we might do?
that's definitely our issue. No, I wouldn't tell them that. That's pretty bad. We were actually thinking about maybe welding the gear on there. Just, I don't know, dude. I don't know what else to do unless that keyway comes out. Sometimes the keyway's removable. That one doesn't seem to be, though. I'm going to tell you right now, that one seems to be made to it. Hey, you guys, leave us a comment. If you guys are familiar with these 2.3 liter Fords, is that keyway made on there, or does it come off like normal? If it don't come off, I don't know what we're going to do yet. We'll have to figure something out, but we'll get it.
And I'll try to reply more.
Yeah, you got to reply to your comments. You're going to be a YouTuber.
Yep, that's true. True.
All right, tell them you guys please like, share, subscribe. Wait till I'm done talking before you say it.
Okay. All right, so please like and subscribe to Integrity Whips.
Make sure you say like, share, and subscribe, because sharing's big.
Okay.
People share your videos. That's what's up.
All right, guys. I think we're just gonna end it there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Integrity Whips.